Happy Wednesday, all you tactical moms and dads out there and non-parents. Welcome back to another episode of the Tactical Everyday Dad. Today we have the WESN Henry. Let's check it out. Full disclosure, WESN is a sponsor of the channel. However, the knife will go through all the same testing as all the other knives that go through our channel. Model number WESN 07-1. As you see, this is the Henry with the titanium scales and 14C 28N steel. Comes in the nice WESN cardboard box, drawer opening. Knife comes in the WESN branded canvas bag on the bed of wood shavings. Your inspected and approved authenticity card, use and care manual, as well as warranty information. WESN knives are warranted for life. From any manufacturer defects, they will repair or replace your knife if there are any issues. WESN sticker. All right. It's a nail nick opening. Overall length, 5.35 inches. Blade length of 2.35 inches. Again, it's the 14 C28N steel at a slight spear point blade. Titanium grade 5 scales. Again, it is a slip joint knife. Lanyard hole there. No pocket clip whatsoever. However, you can get a nice leather sheath for it. The overall weight of this guy, 1.6 ounces. Use some size comparisons. Your everyday Sharpie. Your everyday Bic pen. Toy car. Ontario Rat 2. The Ontario Rat 1. The Spyderco Pair 3. The Spyderco PM2. Benchmade mini bug out. Benchmade full-size bug out. So for this knife, we're gonna forego the shorts look just because it doesn't have a pocket clip. But your carry options are these two sheaths that WESN has for sale. You need to get the black dyed leather or the natural leather, and it just slides right in like that. Very classy, traditional, old school look. Put that right in the pocket and it protects your titanium Henry. All right, let's put it through some everyday parent tests. 1 layer cardboard. Ooh, that's easy. Very nice. The double layered cardboard. A little harder to do. I'm applying way more pressure, but I think it's also just a flimsiness of the cardboard. I can't really get it to stay rigid. 550 paracord. Easy. paracord. Very good. Zip ties. Not bad. That was fairly easy as well. Water or milk jug. Sorry, genuine leather. All right, we're gonna skip that. Not bad. Took a lot. Took a little bit of effort, but not too bad. All right, let's try the seatbelt test. At an MSRP of $115 to $135, depending on handle material, can the WESN Henry, an old school traditional slip joint pocket knife, find a place in your everyday carry setup? After my initial testing, this little guy shocked me, especially at the seatbelt cutting. That thing ripped that seatbelt fairly quickly. It shocked me when I did the testing. So take all the information that I've given you as that advice. Listen to it, however, use it to form your own conclusions on if you would like to add this to your everyday carry setup. And if you would like to add it to your everyday carry setup, please use our affiliate link right here in the description. We get a small percentage of each sale and helps us create more content for the channel. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.